Well, we're getting another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Knife Country USA. Feel free to check them out. They have a very large variety of items. Knife Country USA. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I'll talk over while we open this. I'll drop some links in the description in case I miss any details on the history of this item. But I also have another video on a related type of item as well, but a commemorative version. So, okay, I got the manifest mixed up with a whole bunch of this confetti. Easily recyclable, I guess. So let's see what we got. Aha. And a bubble thing. I want to make sure you guys know what to expect. Alright, so got some stuff that's going to go right into the recycling as long as there's no stickers or any stuff. But what we got here is something from Case, WR Case and Sons Cutlery website. Flip it around. More info. Jeez. Okay. And we have a Besh Wedge brown. I'm assuming that's the handles. G10 or whatever. Micarta, whatever the material actually is. Some code numbers and probably the dimensions. And tested XX. All right, here we go. Oh, actually, a little bit more on the label there. Warning. Okay, and the barcode. So, okay, anything else? All right, nothing in there. We have a case, product quality information. So I'll look at that later. We want to look at this. So that's what I meant by brown. Comes in a sheath. You can see that there. And this style of belt or gear attachment. All right, I see a bunch of stuff here. Maybe I should look at this, huh? And to open tech lock. Good thing I didn't chuck this out. I might have to search through this stuff. Might find some actually good tidbits in here. I'm curious now. All right, so place thumb on pivot lock. Place thumb here. All right, let's see it, of course. Here, pivot lock would be this kind of U-shaped mechanism. We can flick that down like that. And then they mention rotate pivot lock outward. Once pivot lock is rotated out, simultaneously push the thumb tabs towards each other. So that would be these. Oh, okay. So now you can secure this however you want to your gear, whether it be a belt or molly or something, even in your vehicle. So, okay. Let's look at the knife itself. So you can see here the markings. Nice little grip surface there. How the handle is attached. Where you can put a lanyard loop and pretty much your grip surface. Let's say this is pretty light. And then this is the main feature here, the star attraction, the Besh Wedge. Let's see if we can get that to focus a little bit better. But you can see it's not just a point. It's actually a geometric kind of configuration where this goes to the tip, but this edge continues almost as a screwdriver blade, so you don't actually have a weakened tip. You have all this mass, and the best way to describe it is a thick chunk of blade behind that. So you have a lot of reinforcement behind the blade tip. Not sure. Oh, that's just fluff. Okay. So let's see. Are there any other markings? No. It's pretty sharp. I can feel that already, so I'm not going to mess around with that. You can see how the handle's attached. And back to the sheath. I do believe that says made in the USA. So there's something for you. Okay, let's put this back together. Easy enough. And we'll reapply this case logo up. It snaps in. That is pretty secure. And again, the box. And we're taking a look at a case knife item, the Besh Wedge with the brown handles. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.